Hey boys and girls, my name is Miss Silva. I will be teaching 6th grade science, and I bet you're dying to know what your schedule looks like. So I am here to guide you through that process. First thing I need you to do is I need you to log into ClassLink. If you don't remember, that is link.saisd.net. Ta-da! It's a blue background with a white cloud on your iPad apps. Let's show you what it would look like if you're logging in. So I am going to borrow one of my students' login information. So here I go. So that is how you sign in without the @live.saisd.net. And this is what your dashboard should look like in middle school, boys and girls. What I need you to do now is I need you to scroll down and find the Office 365 app. As you can see, it is a red kind of squarish circle with a white square in the middle. You find that app and you log in. Because you're in single sign-in, you're already automatically logged into everything, which is pretty awesome. From here, I want you to go to Outlook. That is where your emails all year, actually till you finish school in 12th grade, this is where you're going to find your emails. Okay? You're going to look for one that says C118, and you're going to click on that for me. After that, you're going to look for a square, and it's a white sheet with little red letters, PDF. You're going to click on that, and that is where you should see your schedule, who your teacher is, and what period you have them. Now, they're not always in the correct order, so make sure you pay attention to the section that is what period you have them for. Okay? Actually, let me see. No, over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are in order. You lucked out. Okay? If you have any questions, go ahead and ask one of your teachers, and they will get back to you as soon as they can. Thank you.